In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and look for the official Notion website in the results. This ensures you land on the correct page with the latest interface and security features. Click through to open the site. Once you're on the Notion homepage, click on Log In. If you already have an account, sign in using your usual method and select the workspace where you want to work. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace home. Inside your workspace, create a new page. You can do this from the left sidebar or the main area, depending on your current view. A fresh, blank page makes it easier to set things up cleanly without distractions, and it helps you keep related content organized. At the top of this new page, give it a clear title. Type Tradingview. A descriptive title makes the page easy to find later and keeps your sidebar tidy, especially if you manage a lot of pages. Next, click into the body of the page so your cursor is ready for content. You'll see a placeholder inviting you to start writing. This is where we'll add an embedded element so you can view external content right inside Notion. Begin typing the word embed. As you type, Notion will show a menu of block options that match what you're entering. This is Notion's quick command system, and it's a fast way to insert the exact block you need without hunting through menus. From the list, select the embed option. This block lets you display external sites and tools within your page, so you don't have to switch tabs when you're working. Now, paste your TradingView link into the field provided. You can use a public chart, an idea, or a widget URL from tradingview.com. Using a public or shareable link helps Notion load the preview properly. If your link requires a login to view, you may not see the embedded content as expected. Finally, click Embed Link. Give it a moment while Notion loads the preview. You should now see the TradingView chart displayed directly in your page, ready to reference as you take notes or plan. If the preview doesn't load, double-check that the URL is correct and publicly accessible. That's it. You used Google to reach Notion, logged in, created a dedicated page, and embedded a TradingView link so your market view lives alongside your notes. Save your work and you're ready to build on this setup whenever you need.